In our previous videos, we have discussed 7 theorems based on gradient, divergence and curl of a vector function. Today, we will discuss 2 more theorems based on those concepts. 8th theorem, prove that divergence of curl of vector f is equal to 0. In symbolical form, it can be written as, we know that divergence of a vector function is dot product, therefore it is del dot, and curl of a vector function is cross product, therefore it is del cross f, which is equal to 0, where f is a vector function of continuous second order partial derivative. Solution. Let us consider vector function f in the form f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap. Now consider curl of f, which is equal to del cross f. We know the value of del is dou by dou x into I cap, dou by dou y into j cap plus dou by dou z into k cap. Cross f, it is of the form f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap. Since it is a cross product, we have to consider the values under the determinant. First row is unit vectors I, j and k. Second row is components of del, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. Along the third row, we have to consider the components of f, that is f1, f2 and f3. Now we have to solve this determinant. I cap inside the bracket dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z minus j cap dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou z plus k cap dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. Now consider the divergence of curl of f. We have to prove this result is equal to 0. Since divergence is a dot product, we have to consider the dot product of differential operator del and curl of f. In del, the coefficient of I is dou by dou x, and in curl of f, the coefficient of I is dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z, plus in del, the coefficient of j is dou by dou y. In curl of f, here minus j cap is there. We have to consider the coefficient of j. By multiplying minus sign inside the bracket, we get dou f1 by dou z minus dou f3 by dou x, plus in del, the coefficient of k is dou by dou z. In curl of f, the coefficient of j is dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. On multiplying dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z inside the bracket, we get divergence of curl of f is equal to dou square f3 by dou x into dou y minus dou square f2 by dou x into dou z plus dou square f1 divided by dou y into dou z minus dou square f3 divided by dou y into dou x plus dou square f2 divided by dou z into dou x minus dou square f1 divided by dou z into dou y. Here plus of the term and minus of the term will get cancelled. We get the answer as 0. Ninth theorem, if a and b are constant vectors, then prove that first condition, divergence of vector triple product of r, a and b, which is equal to minus 2b into a. Second condition, curl of vector triple product of r, a and b is equal to cross product of vectors b and a. To prove this result, consider the vector in the form a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and vector b in the form b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Vector r is equal to x into I cap plus y into j cap plus z into k cap. Now consider vector triple product of r, a and b, which is equal to, by the definition of vector triple product, we have b dot r into a minus b dot a into vector r. Now we have to consider the divergence of this quantity, and we know that divergence is a dot product, therefore del dot vector triple product of r, a and b is equal to del dot product of vectors b and r into a minus del dot product of vectors b and a into vector r. We can write del dot product of vectors b and r into a as del into dot product of vectors b and r dot vector a plus we have to reverse this condition, that is dot product of vectors b and r into del dot a as it is minus, inside the bracket we can write del dot product of vectors b and a into r as del into b dot a dot vector r plus, again we have to reverse this condition, that is dot product of vectors b and a into del dot r as it is. Give it as equation number 1. Now we have to calculate the value of del dot r and del dot a. Consider divergence of r which is equal to del dot r, which is equal to dou by dou x into I cap plus dou by dou y into j cap plus dou by dou z into k cap dot vector r. Vector r value is x into I cap plus y into j cap plus z into k cap. Since it is a dot product, we have to multiply the coefficients of I, j and k in del with the coefficients of I, j, k in vector r respectively. That is, in del the coefficient of I is dou by dou x, in r the coefficient of I is x. Therefore it is dou by dou x into x plus dou by dou y of, here the coefficient of j is y, plus dou by dou z of, here the coefficient of k is z. We know that x with respect to x is 1 plus y with respect to y is 1 plus z with respect to z is 1. Therefore its answer is 3. Similarly, we can calculate the value of del dot vector a. Its value is 0. Give it as equation number 2. That is del dot a is equal to dou by dou x of a1 plus dou by dou y of a2 plus dou by dou z of a3. Since this term is independent of x, therefore partial differentiation of a1 with respect to x is 0 plus partial differentiation of a2 with respect to y is 0 plus partial differentiation of a3 with respect to z is 0. And also we know that del of a dot b is equal to 0. Give it as equation number 3, because del of dot product of vectors a and b is equal to dou by dou x of a1 b1 plus dou by dou y of a2 b2 plus dou by dou z of a3 b3. Partial differentiation of a1 b1 with respect to x is 0 plus partial differentiation of a2 b2 with respect to y is 0 plus partial differentiation of a3 b3 with respect to z is 0. Now we have to substitute equations 2 and 3 in equation number 1. Then we get left hand side is del dot vector product of r, a and b equal to del of dot product of b and r dot vector a plus 0 minus of dot product of vector b and a into 3, which can be written as del of dot product of vectors b and r dot vector a minus 3 times of dot product of vectors b and a. Give it as equation number 4. Now we have to calculate the values of b dot r and del of b dot r. That is, dot product of vectors b and r is b1 into x plus b2 into y plus b3 into z. Now we have to calculate the value of del of b dot r, which is equal to dou by dou x into I cap plus dou by dou y into j cap plus dou by dou z into k cap. We know that b dot r value is b1 into x plus b2 into y plus b3 into z, which is equal to dou by dou x of x. Here b1 and I cap are the constants, keep it as it is, plus dou by dou y of y into b2 into j cap plus dou by dou z of z into b3 into k cap. Partial differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Therefore it is simply b1 into I cap plus, again its value is 1. Therefore it is b2 into j cap plus partial differentiation of z with respect to z is 1. Therefore it is b3 into k cap. This is the value of vector b. Therefore del of b dot r value is vector b. Now we have to put this value in the equation number 4. That is, this value is b dot vector a as it is minus 3 times of dot product of vectors b and a, which is equal to minus 2 times of b dot a. This is the value of divergence of vector triple product of RA and vector B. Second condition, we have to calculate the value of curl of vector triple product of RA and vector B. Therefore, consider del cross vector triple product of RA and B, which is equal to del cross as it is. We can write this value by using vector triple product as B dot R into vector A minus again del cross as it is. We know that vector triple product of R, A and B, its value is B dot R into vector A minus B dot A into vector R. Therefore, it is del cross dot product of vectors B and A into vector R. Now again we can write the value of first term as del into dot product of B and R. Here it is cross product, therefore it is cross vector A plus reverse of this term, that is dot product of B and R into del cross A as it is minus the value of second term. We can write it as del into dot product of B and A cross vector R plus on reversing this term we can write dot product of B and A into del cross R. Again by using equation number 2 and 3 we can write, we know that del of B dot R value is B cross A as it is, and cross product of del and vector A, its value is 0. 0 into anything is 0, therefore second term is 0 minus del of B dot A, its value is 0, and we know that del of B dot A is equal to B dot A into del, therefore again the value of fourth term is 0. The cross product of differential operator del and the vector A is 0 because to calculate its value, consider del cross A is equal to, under the determinant, first row is unit vectors and second row is components of differential operator del, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. Along the third row, consider the components of vector A, that is A1, A2 and A3, which is equal to I cap inside the bracket dou by dou I of A3 minus dou by dou z of A2 minus j cap dou by dou x of A3 minus dou by dou z of A1 plus k cap inside the bracket dou by dou x of A2 minus dou by dou y of A1. Its value is 0. Therefore, the curl of vector triple product of R, A and vector B, its value is cross product of vector B and A.